Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, Pete got a newsletter, I think yesterday, from CNN's Unlocking Italy. And it's a great newsletter, but this one was particularly interesting because they were talking about Puglia. And as you know, we have a presence over there. We have an office over there. And we've been over there filming quite a lot. It's a beautiful area. But apparently the world has found out about Puglia, and that is one of the big tourist destinations now, especially the area around Bari, a little south of Bari. So as you know, we've been over there filming and doing all kinds of things and loving it. And apparently everybody's discovering it now. It has basically been dubbed the Puglian Riviera, which is the area along the coast just south of Bari. And guess what's in the Puglian Riviera? Of course, there's Polignano al Mare, which is already very famous. And of course, they brought that up as a beautiful place with gorgeous beaches and whatnot. And Polignano al Mare was voted the friendliest town in the world by TripAdvisor recently. So it's nothing to be sneezed at. It's a beautiful town. But guess what? It's horrifically expensive because everybody wants to be there. That's where we come in. We've found a place right near Polignano al Mare, which is a beautiful community. Lovely shops, restaurants, gorgeous piazza, the sea, everything you could want in a Puglian fishing village. And the properties were very reasonable. So we decided to settle our office there because it just made sense. And if you start looking, you're going to see Mola di Bari. Now, when we were kind of poking around in that area, we love it because Nick Mehta and his studio are over in Bari. And we thought, we would like to have a place that's relatively close so we can run over and do videos and, visit and do all these things. And a lot of the people that we know are over in that area in Bari. So we decided, let's get something set up in Mola di Bari, and we did. And in fact, the renovations are done. We just have to go over there, clean it all up, put in the kitchen, and we're going to have our space all set up. Now, the great thing about Mola di Bari is that it is really, really affordable. Polignano out the roof as far as the properties are concerned. But Mola di Bari, not so much. And in fact, you can get a place that needs to be fixed up in the historic center for really next to nothing. And of course, we have the engineer and the building teams that we can refer you to. And we have agents over there too. So I wanted to put in a plug for Mola di Bari because if your budget doesn't run to Polignano prices, Mola might just be for you. It is only one train stop away, literally 5 minutes away on the train. And you can go to Polignano for a day, which I did last year. In fact, go look at my tuk-tuk tour. We had such a blast on the tuk-tuk tour of Polignano al Mare, and it shows you a good overview of it. We did a lot of filming and that kind of thing, so you can see it. But we love Mola di Bari, not only for the cuisine, not only for the sea, but just because we just love the community, and I think you're going to love it too. So don't get off your radar. Don't skip over it and head over to Polignano. Definitely take a look at Mola, and we're there if you need help. See you soon, guys.